के साथ। तो अभी हम राजगिरी में आए हुए हैं जहां पे हॉट स्प्रिंग के बगल में एक स्विमिंग पूल है, वहीं पे आए हुए हैं। यहाँ के कुछ व्यवस्थापक, उनसे हम बातें भी करेंगे। तो आप बने रहे नालंदा सक्सेस। थैंक यू। पहले आपका नाम बताइए सर।
मेरा नाम सुधांशु कुमार हुआ। आई एम फ्रॉम नवादा डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
यू आर फ्रॉम नवादा डिस्ट्रिक्ट?
या माय डेजिग्नेशन इज आई एम वर्किंग हियर एज ए जीएम in this premises.
Since when are you working here?
Last 6 months.
Oh, last 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. What do you know about the Rajgiri?
Yeah, there is lots of tourism. We are promoting tourism departments, and our Jungle restaurant is very famous for hot case in the Rajgir center. And tourism, Bihar tourism is developing new. There is nature safari and zoo safari. Lots of crowd over here, and we are just promoting this premises. Before 1 year ago, these premises, nobody knows these premises about the like forest.
Forest also.
Yeah.
Okay, this place is I like the forest before 1 year, but right now it's very tourism place, and this is a very historical place for all over the world. Okay, what do you think about these places?
Yeah, there is for the crowd. This is the public. Someone is coming in this center, and they have less of money to move. Lots of expensive thing here in Rajgir, like the nature safari, zoo safari, and the Sisa Bridge or Jhulwa. These are the tourism. Too much money expend for the people, those who not survive that much money. So this location is very famous for that person.
Because this
location, below the middle class family.
Middle classes.
Yeah.
Because you know very well this location is very very famous in our Rajgiri. Those who is to come in Rajgiri, please visit this place. Okay, where this is a location?
This is the Kund, just behind the Kund.
Behind that Kund.
Yeah. The Rajgir Brahm Kund, the very posh location in the Rajgir.
But right now it's winter season, but I think due to winter season they are very less they used to come here, but in the hot season it's very wonderful, no?
Yeah.
What do you think right now in summer season?
Yeah, summer season it's okay, but the Saturday and Sunday is the lots of crowd over here, and the before 25th. So I think next day is Monday, so the people come get there in the office, and all the other
all
workers.
are engaged in the office, but I think in Saturday Sunday is holiday, but I think this is the last of the month of year this is going on. That's why there are so many crowd in the right now in Rajgiri, because this is a very historical place in Nalanda district, no?
Can we conversations with, about my restaurant and the rooms where the jungle, you know the jungle restaurant?
Yeah, jungle restaurant I know very well, but I will go there and I will also make a video also.
Okay, I will offer you, and you just come in my restaurant, and I will provide my food. And my food is very hygienic and very delicious.
Because I know jungle restaurant is very famous restaurant in Rajgiri. Those who is to come there, they please visit. I will also visit there, and I will see the location of there, and I will see and I will taste of the quality of there. That's fine. What is the price of here right now?
The swimming pool ticket is 60 rupees, and the moving and the 25 rupees is also.
Only those who is to come here to only for moving or walking with your friend, they can only will have to pay 25 rupees. But those who like to come here for swimming, they will have to pay only 20 rupees, and they can enjoy.
No, 60 rupees.
60 rupees.
Yeah, 60 rupees. Very cheap.
The family with the come here.
Yeah.
Family also come here.
Yeah.
No issue.
No issue. But the camera is not allowed in this premises, because the swimming area. The come here in the privacy sector, so right to privacy. The code.
Those who will come here for the swimming club, please don't use your camera, because this is a very security region. It's very prohibited for here, no?
Yeah. This is very strictly prohibited, because this is the right to privacy.
Yeah, this is the right place. Yeah, very security. Okay, sir. One thing I want to, because you are also youth. What is the lackness of in the Rajgir? What do you think about the government about it?
Because I think my point of view is the administration is not working properly in the Rajgir. So make to improve our
Yeah, because the administration, because you know very well in the crowd, there are so many crowd. Because yes, sir, you know very well here used to come out of the state, out of the country. What they get the message from here? Because
if you move in the Delhi and the other regions, north regions, south regions, the administration is very improving, and if you are suffering in the some missing way. So the people, the administration is supporting you if you come in the foreign, if you come to the other states. So from my point of view, so administrations is not support properly in our out of a state peoples come in Rajgir and the other cities like Patna. So come some peoples come from Patna, so you are not getting support from the administration. So make to prove. That is the main thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we are also promoting, we are also saying to the government, please try to take care about this place, because this is a very historical place. You can't believe, hot spring is the only one place in all over the world where the hot water will come. Yeah.
That palace is very historical. I think since last 400 years ago, I think the Brahmkund is very famous.
Very famous.
Yeah, all over the world.
All over the world,
Yeah,
because from where the water will come, from.
I don't know, but some mountain and some place, nobody's research. I think scientists is giving the right answer for where is the come from the water and from. I don't know.
Scientists, they are also the invention about that. Okay, sir, thank you. But how did you maintain about this water here?
Yeah, lots of worker here over here. That's one is the maintain our water.
Water,
and
yeah,
chlorine, and some fitkiris and something.
Because they always used to maintain.
Yeah.
Because you can see the water of here, it's very pure and clean. Those who used to come here in swing, those who want to come here, please try to visit this place. And the water is very swing, there is no any dirty and very sweet. And something is chemical also.
Yeah, chlorine.
Chemical.
We are using chlorine,
Chlorine.
not chemical. Chlorine is we are using just all multi-purpose cleaning using.
Because the color of water is something changing right now.
Some blue, right?
Blue, yeah. It's very attractive. But due to the winter season, I think there's no more come here. But I think you can talk about the summer season. Every day, evening, open time?
8 o'clock
8
till 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, those who would like to please come here, Rajgir, please visit this place and you can swing. But I think in the spring you can take much and more enjoy here, no sir?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you. Have a nice.